How to record Zoom meetings on phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can record Zoom meeting on your mobile device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're the host and if you're using the mobile application, Zoom allows cloud recording for the paid user only. So if you are a paid user, you could always record a meeting on Zoom. For that, first of all, you have to join a meeting where you can simply start or schedule a meeting and ensure that you're signed in with a licensed or with a pro or higher account. And if in that case, once you're on your meeting, if you swipe this menu bar to your left, there you have an option as more. You have to tap on it, and here you will have an option as record to the cloud. So simply tap on it and you will see a small recording indicator at the top, and then the recording will begin. You can simply tap on more in order to pause your recording or the stop recording as needed. And once the meeting ends, Zoom will process the recorded video and you will find all your recording under your account to download or share the recording. So in that case, if you have a paid account, then you could always record a video. But in case if you are the free users and if you don't have a paid account, in that case, the Zoom does not support local recording on mobile for free users. So in that case, you have to use your mobile device inbuilt screen recorder that will help you record your Zoom meeting. For that, what you can do is swipe down to access your quick settings panel, and here you will have an option as screen record. Tap on screen record, see the instructions there, and now you can start recording meeting on the Zoom using your screen recorder that is built in your mobile device. And once the recording is done, then you will find your video or your recorded video under your gallery as a screenshot or the recorded video. But before that, you have to make sure that you have a proper permission or consent from the host and participants before you record, as recording meetings without permission may violate the privacy laws or Zoom policies. So you also keep that thing in your mind, and that's the way to record Zoom meeting in mobile device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.